colonial-style mansion in the heart of Maryland. Upon approaching grand wrought iron gates guarded by bronze lions, one is immediately taken by unmistakable beauty. A collaboration between builder Patrick Cullinane and legendary architect Wilfrid Worland, Villa Dei Leoni is the result of countless man-hours, the finest materials, and millions of dollars invested by the current owners to create a vision that completely alters the perception of what a home can be. Ascending the gradually inclined driveway, the tree line eventually gives way to a grand motor court anchored by a central Italianate fountain, giving off a peaceful ambiance and properly introducing the estate. Striding across the wide front portico, framed by Parthenon-esque columns through the arched, wrought iron entrance, masterful craftsmanship welcomes you in the grand foyer. Cross-hatched marble flooring shine under the crystal chandelier overhead. To the right, through 3 elegant archways, lies the formal dining room, a generously proportioned space whose focal point is an elegant marble fireplace topped by crystal sconces to match the chandelier and smoked mirror. The French silk-lined formal living room is directly ahead of the grand foyer, with a curved window wall overlooking the rear lawn. A paneled library is a showcase of master millwork and harkens back to the first-class smoking rooms aboard sumptuous ocean liners during the golden age of travel. Perhaps the best example of old-world craftsmanship blended with modern conveniences is found in the chef's kitchen, where bespoke, inlaid furniture-grade cabinetry and quartz countertops host Wolf, Miele, and Thermidor appliances. Upstairs, the owner's retreat boasts an intimate sitting room, a warm cherry oak marbleized fireplace, and lush views of the rear lawn via either the wall of windows or a private balcony, ideal for morning cappuccinos. The lower level is a central location for entertaining, with its restaurant-sized bar, sitting area with a marble fireplace, and a dedicated billiards room. The rear exterior is where the magic can truly be found, hosting a covered loggia, natural marble pavers running throughout, and a Lewis Aquatech designed lapped pool with fountains and automatic cover. Separate pool and carriage houses provide additional accommodation. The main showstopper is a custom 200,000-gallon freshwater pond served by industrial-grade filtration and computer-controlled well systems running throughout the 10-acre property. 2 additional custom ponds, one 12,000 gallons and the other 5,000, establish a tranquil backdrop to the sprawling lawn.